The phoenix is born from the ashes of its predecessor. A tiny glowing bird emerges, marking a new beginning. Its feathers shimmer with gold and red flames. The fire around it symbolizes immortality and rebirth. The young phoenix grows quickly, gaining strength and beauty. Its fiery feathers start to shine brighter. It learns to fly and control small flames. This stage represents growth, learning, and independence. The phoenix becomes strong and majestic. It masters its fire powers and gains healing abilities. Its presence inspires awe and respect among other creatures. The wings glow vividly, symbolizing freedom and courage. The phoenix reaches its full glory and wisdom. It flies high across mountains and forests. It is a symbol of hope, courage, and eternal life. Its fire illuminates the surroundings, representing power and rebirth.
After centuries, the phoenix begins to age. Its feathers lose brightness, and the flames around it dim. It prepares for its final transformation. The cycle of life approaches its end.
The phoenix ignites itself in a magnificent blaze. It burns completely, turning into soft ashes. Its death is not the end, but a necessary step for rebirth. From the ashes, a new phoenix emerges. It carries the wisdom and strength of its predecessor. The cycle of life continues eternally. Even in destruction, life is reborn.